Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub for the 8th of July, Monday the 8th of July. Lots going on in the marketplace. You've seen some big moves already for the month. If you looked at our earlier blog posting about is July going to be a positive month, well, it certainly has been so far, with most of the indices up over 2%. We're going to be looking at a couple of stocks today, one of which is going to be Brocade, which just came up on our radar today, and also a quick look at Amazon. So let's get started and go right to our portfolio manager. And as you can see, we've got the Dow is up about 63 points right now, but mixed picture on the trade triangles as we've talked about before. Same way on the S&P 500, but a little bit different on the Nasdaq, because there's a signal today, Monday, July 8th, on the Nasdaq. Be a buyer there. That's obviously from Amazon and a couple of other tech stocks. But again, you can see this market's moving up. If we put our trade triangles in on a daily basis, you can see, boom, there it is. And just put our daily trade triangles in. And there's the weekly that kicked in today. All of our trade triangles are positive on the Nasdaq. So again, this is a market that's moving higher. We believe this is a good picture to be in. So we also have on the MACD, which is right here, that's turned positive a couple of days ago, but it's confirmed today with the monthly trade triangle buy. So it looks like that is going higher. Let's go to our next market, and that's going to be gold. Gold is beginning to look a little bit flat, but don't be fooled by this, because this market's been going sideways and it boom goes down. So 1160, 1170 was our target zone. We got down to about 1183, 84, somewhere like that. So pretty close to our target zone. Not too excited about buying this market yet. There's no proof. All of our trade triangles are still positive. Also, John Paulson, the Paulson fund, the gold fund he has, is down 23% last month. Not a good sign for that fund. Again, the trend is clearly on the downside. You can see just based on, if you just draw a straight line, it's so easy to do with MarketClub, boom, to there to there. The trend is going down, the line's going down. No reason to get excited about this market right now. So let's go to our next market. That's going to be the Euro. The Euro is beginning to base out. We said we're at the 128 level. We was our target zone on the downside. Support came in. We got down to 128.10. So a little pop up today. Nothing to get too excited about. All of our trade triangles still, with the exception of the monthly, still negative. So a little bit of sideways action here, but again, very, very oversold. I would not be surprised to see some sort of recovery from these things. The reason you see no data here, there's no data on gold volume, and there's no volume matrix on currencies as well. So let's just take that off the screen right now. So below chart studies, very simple to do, and volume, boom, click it off, and it's gone. It's just pretty easy to do this, all with MarketClub. So again, the euro is right down to an area where it's found support previously, both back in March of 2013, and again earlier in May of this year. So again, this is where it's finding support, but if it goes through here, then it's going to be a little bit of a different picture. I'd expect to see some recovery, perhaps to the 130 area, and we'll see how things work out from there. But moving on to crude oil, this is the big winner, of course. We've been very positive on crude oil, and we expect to see this market really improve from current levels. So again, we have a 110 target zone, and that target zone was derived very simply from the following. And let me show you and illustrate how we came up with that number. This is how you do it. So we drew a very simple straight line across here, and that was 98. The low we see is around 86. So 88, you could say that's $12 there to there. So that's 12 from here to here. And if you just simply add 12 onto 98, you get 110. So that's our target zone for crude oil, and I think we'll get it. I think things are going to continue to be volatile in the Middle East. Nobody has a play card for this, but the market is telling you it wants to go higher. Any pullback to support, which I would consider to be around the $100 level, is an opportunity to be a buyer on this market, in my opinion. So let's just clear the screen and go to our next market, Amazon. Amazon, again, you remember we talked about over 285 level, and we're off and running. Very similar picture to crude oil. You just look at this base this market has drawn out for itself. You can see it right here. This is huge how we see this, and that is a very large base just going like this. Again, very large base, and this is capable of taking this up to 330. So that's our target zone for Amazon, 330. Any pullbacks to, I would say, around the 82. So it's 282 to 285. We want to be a buyer of this market. And we see it going to this level here. So again, great opportunity. Amazon is the clear leader in online commerce. They're a juggernaut. They're going to continue to beat everybody, in my opinion. All the trade triangles are plus 100 right here. So the trend is your friend, and the trend is clearly up in this stock. So, and the next market we're going to look at is Brocade. This is BRCD is the symbol on Nasdaq. And how we found this was very simple. We went to our trade triangles today, and I'll just already mark those in. I'll just go to that right now. And this is what came up. Brocade Communications. You can see the little yellow box around the triangle right here. So this is a green monthly signal of 603. Currently trading at 610, 609. A little bit of gain there, but we're looking for that market to move up to the 9 or 10 level. So how we got to that was a simple measurement. So here's Brocade Communications. If we scope this out further, you get an idea of, let's say, a max. You get an idea with this, take all these trade triangles off, but you get an idea that this market has problems right around these levels right here. This is where it's going to have problems around. So we're suggesting 9 to 10 as a target area. I think the stop just below 5, 495 is the recommended stop. So it's a 3-for-1 trade, meaning we can make $3 on the upside and risk $1. Kind of like a nice trade to trade. Hey, this is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Every success using Market Club and in the markets. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.